5 quarts of clean water for each 80-pound bag. So what I would do is go get one of them buckets and measure out 5 quarts.
And just mark a line and
then mark a line, yeah, and then you just basically fill it up, dump, and that the water goes in there first.
Okay.
And you turn this thing on and then dump that in there.
Okay.
Put your level on it.
I need to go down though, right?
And that's level left to right, right? Because that's the right side looks high.
Well, I mean, I don't know. I just
71.5. It's okay. Just tap it down. Tap the whole thing down. Are you pushing on it with your left hand?
Do I need to be?
The edge of it with your left hand. Yeah, something's got to hold it there or it just bounces. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Right there. Like when you're pounding on it right here to level it this way, this side here is going down. So when you're pounding on it to get it to go this way, you need to pound right there in the middle.
Okay.
So the whole side goes down at the same time.
It needs to go to the right though.
72.5. So yeah, that's all the stuff you have to look at while you're tapping it and holding it and all that. You want to try to hold it in place. See, the mud is like jello. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you got to kind of hold it as you're tapping it or it just flops all over the place.
I mean, this is going to be an absolute nightmare.
It'll be okay. Trust me, it'll be all right.
Because this is all probably screwed up.
And you're on your line, right?
Man, I reckon it could probably go to the right a little bit. I don't know.
We'll have to make up about 1/4 inch on the next one. I said that mud, we should mix it up just a tad bit heavier
Because
for
of how
this.
high we have to build this up.
For normal block, it would be perfect, but you take this, and what you're basically doing is rubbing the joints so you get a nice clean joint, plus it helps seal up the crack. Like where this is right here, where this is all open in the corner. And then if you need a little bit of mud, that's already hard, but you basically, and then just wipe this off like that right there. Take a little bit of mud and push in there with your finger, and then just trowel that. You should be good.
All right.
You need to do all them joints.
Cool. I'll do it.
Good deal.
as long as mine looks better than his,
I don't know, man.
that's all I care about.
I think the old man's got
That's
you
all
down.
I care about.
Hey, I might be slow, but I'm good.
Here we go.
What's it look like over there?
He's getting the 4-inch block. It looks nice and straight.
Looks like he's been doing it for 45 years.
It looks like he's been doing it for a minute. I don't know. All right, let's see that skill.
That skill.
The 2 hours of practice he had. Woo! Look at that.
Is that all we've been doing it for? 2 hours? No, the screen shut off, but Corey had me all flustered. I'm on the wrong row.
Oh, you can still do that, Ro.
Dang.
Come on, man.
Got me all flustered. I was wondering why I had to move the string out of the way for this one.
What are your 30 subscribers gonna think now?
I don't even know if we have 30 subscribers. We're not going to get any more work like this, though. Gotta be better.
Hold on, I'm about to get you about 500 more.
That must mean the shirt's coming off.